Hello everyone. Today's topic is hypocalcified structures of enamel. As you must be knowing, hypocalcified structures are areas in enamel where mineralization is abnormal and as a result we get hypocalcified structures. First one is enamel lamella. It is thin, leaf-like, extending from the enamel surface towards the DEG. Following are the three types of enamel lamella. Type A, in which the enamel lamella extends from the enamel. Type B, in which the enamel lamella, after extending from the enamel, reaches the DEG. And type C, in which the enamel lamella enters into dentine. Next structure is enamel tuft, which is short, brush like, arising from DEG and extending about one-fifth to one-third of the enamel thickness. Here is the microscopic view of enamel tuft in which you can see it is appearing like tuft of grass. Third structure is enamel spindle, which are not truly hypocalcified structures but contain more organic material because they are actually trapped odontoblastic processes and they appear short and linear structure. For our better understanding, we have made a comparison table of enamel lamella, enamel tuft, and enamel spindle. Going further on incremental line of Retzius. It depicts the rhythmic successive apposition of enamel, and it appears as concentric brown rings in ground section, and in the cervical part of the crown they run obliquely. Next structure is neonatal line, which is basically incremental line of Retzius but highlighted, and it shows the demarcation between pre and postnatal enamel formed. Next is dentino-enamel junction. We know that it is a scalloped junction present between enamel and dentine in which the convex part faces dentine and the concave part faces enamel. Its function is to protect tooth from fracture and is more prominent in the occlusal areas. Why is it important? Because it prevents enamel from breaking it off and helps the tooth to resist masticatory forces. Why are hypocalcified structures important in dentistry? Because it increases enamel permeability, it acts as weak point, it gives pathway for dental caries, and they are important in tooth sensitivity. Thank you.